you guys, back again with another video for this channel. Wait a minute, let me take down this crazy looking bun. Be right back. Much better. Okay, you guys, in today's video I will be doing a wash and go. Yes, because I'm a wash and go girl. So today we will be trying out a new gel, you guys. I am excited. Of course, I'll be starting off with dripping wet hair. That's why I have my water bottle right here next to me. This is how my hair is looking with no product. I don't have no product in my hair, so this is all natural state me. So the gel I'll be trying out today is this one, you guys. Let me see. Yes, much better. So this is a gel that I will be trying out, you guys. And this gel is actually the sister gel to a gel that I already tried out on my channel. I'll go ahead and I'll leave it up here for you guys to see. But this one, it is of course a Jamaican mango and lime coconut water hydration in shine styling gel. So it was made in Jamaica. So this one is the green one, you guys, and I am so excited because I love gel. I'm a gel girl. Don't give me mousse, don't give me, well, let me don't speak too soon, because I have another video coming out with me trying mousse only, but I prefer gel, you guys. I prefer gel over mousse. I prefer gel over styling cream. I'm just a gel type of girl, and today I'll be trying out this one. So the price is not bad. I bought it at my local beauty store for $3.95. Focus. Okay, yeah. So I bought it for that price. I believe that gel is very affordable. And yeah, enough of me rambling. Let's go ahead and let's try it out. I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I sectioned my hair. So I'll be doing this piece. Of course, I gotta get it fully saturated. We want the hair to be extra wet when applying our gel, because water is key for that beautiful curl definition. You have to, it's a must for you to saturate the hair fully with water. I'm gonna go and section it some more, and of course I'm starting off by combing it out. I'm using my Denman brush as my curl defining tool. Okay, gonna apply more water. And time to test out this gel. Opening the gel, easy open, close. So this is what it is looking like. It's like a clear green color. I thought it would smell like lime. It smells really nice. Not too perfume-y. It has like a faint smell. It smells very pleasant. Okay, it's a thick gel. Oh yeah, this gel is thick. Let's do the test. You see? Yep, it's a thick one. I'm gonna take this amount and apply it to the hair. Oh, that's a thick gel. Oh, oh, I can already tell. You know when you know? When you know you're gonna have a bomb wash and go, you know it from the beginning. I can already tell because this gel is thick. It smells so good. Wow. Has a lot of slip. It glides straight through. Look at those juicy curls. The curls are juicy. I'm excited. And that's it. Now I'm gonna be a little extra and go over it and smooth it through to make sure all of that frizz is being tamed. I can already tell that I'm gonna have a beautiful wash and go. Because the gel is thick. Once the gel is thick, those are the type of gel that I love because I have thick hair. So I need something to weigh down my curls. And that's it. Not a lot of effort. And the shine is there. You guys run out and get this gel. Run. Because I can already tell it's going to be a nice wash and go. Okay, let me stop touching my hair. Oh my god, this is okay. Let me continue. I'm starting off with another piece, saturating the hair fully, because that's the key, that's the secret. Yes. And I'm gonna continue. So clearing out the hair, clearing it out. Starting from the roots. The best way to clear out your hair is from the roots. No, sorry, from the tip, and go straight up to the roots. Yes, that's it. Taking some more gel, separating it because I want some really nice juicy curl definition. Slides straight through. Beautiful. And I'm gonna be extra. And shingling it. I'm doing the shingling method. That's just simply separating each strand of curls and helping the curl form without frizz. Mm-hmm.
2025. Good evening, my brothers and sisters. Tonight, I want to talk to you about something that's holding many of us back, not just from our potential, but from the divine purpose God has placed in our lives. It's not always easy to see because on the surface, it looks good. It sounds good. It feels like the right thing to do. But I'm here to tell you it's a trap. And that trap is being too nice. Now, don't misunderstand me. God calls us to kindness, to love, and to compassion. But He doesn't call us to be pushovers. He doesn't call us to silence our voices, shrink our boundaries, or let others trample on the dignity He's given us as His children. Being too nice is not a badge of honor. It's a silent thief. It robs you of your time because you say yes to things God never asked you to do. It robs you of your peace because you're constantly bending and breaking to accommodate everyone else. And most importantly, it robs you of your purpose because you're so busy pleasing people that you lose sight of the one you're truly called to please. Here's the truth. You can't fulfill your God-given assignment if you're chained to the expectations of others. And sometimes being obedient to God means saying no to people. I think of Nehemiah rebuilding the walls of Jerusalem. When his enemies tried to lure him away, asking him to come down from the wall to meet them, Nehemiah didn't flinch. He said, I am doing a great work and I cannot come down, Nehemiah 6:3. That wasn't him being rude. That wasn't him being unkind. That was him being focused. That was him being obedient. Some of us need to take a Nehemiah stance in 2025. Some of us need to look at the distractions, the people-pleasing tendencies, and the overcommitments and declare, I am doing a great work and I cannot come down. Listen, the enemy loves it when we're too nice. He loves it when we're too afraid to speak up, too hesitant to set boundaries, too eager to seek approval. Because a distracted Christian is an ineffective Christian. But God didn't call you to be nice, He called you to be bold. He called you to be courageous. He called you to be wise as serpents and innocent as doves, Matthew 10:16. That means knowing when to extend grace and when to stand firm. So how do we break free from the trap of being too nice? First, seek God's approval above all else. Ask yourself, is this decision pleasing to God, or am I doing it to avoid conflict or gain acceptance? When you make pleasing Him your priority, everything else will fall into place. Second, set boundaries. Jesus Himself modeled this. He walked away from crowds, said no to certain requests, and made time for prayer and rest. If the Son of God knew the importance of boundaries, how much more should we? Finally, stand firm in your calling. Not everyone will understand the path God has you on, and that's okay. Your job is not to explain or justify, it's to obey. 2025 is the year to stop being too nice. It's the year to step into your God-given authority, to walk boldly in your purpose, and to live for His glory, not anyone else's approval. So tonight, I challenge you, stop apologizing for the space you take up. Stop diluting your voice to make others comfortable. Stop coming down from the wall. You've got a great work to do, and the world needs the version of you that is obedient, bold, and unapologetically aligned with God's will. Let's pray. Kindness is a virtue that resonates deeply with the heart of God. It's an essential characteristic of those who follow Him, a reflection of His own love and grace toward humanity. Kindness heals wounds, bridges divides, and creates connections where hostility might otherwise reign. It is a fruit of the Spirit, a clear marker of the transformative work of God in a believer's life. Yet kindness, when misunderstood or misapplied, can turn into something far removed from its divine origin. Being kind does not mean forfeiting one's voice, compromising one's values, or allowing others to take advantage of your goodwill. God's call to kindness is never an invitation to become a doormat. True kindness is powerful, intentional, and anchoral. It flows from a heart secure in God's love and purpose, not from a place of fear, insecurity, or a desire to be liked. When we confuse kindness with passivity, we risk distorting the very essence of what it means to be kind in God's eyes. Jesus Himself exemplified perfect kindness throughout His earthly ministry, but His kindness was never synonymous with weakness or blind acquiescence. He healed the sick, fed the hungry, and spoke tenderly to the brokenhearted. Yet He also overturned tables in the temple, rebuked the Pharisees, and boldly proclaimed the truth even when it offended others. His kindness was always guided by purpose and truth. It sought the good of others without compromising His mission or divine standards. Sometimes we fall into the trap of being overly nice because we equate kindness with avoiding conflict. We think that saying yes to every request, tolerating every behavior, or constantly yielding our preferences is the loving thing to do. But in reality, this kind of niceness often stems from a fear of rejection or disapproval rather than a genuine desire to reflect God's character. When we prioritize keeping the peace over doing what is right or necessary, we are not being kind, we are being complacent. Kindness, when rooted in God's truth, has boundaries. It does not enable harmful behavior, nor does it sacrifice one's well-being or integrity for the sake of pleasing others. Being kind sometimes means having hard conversations, setting limits, or even walking away from relationships or situations that are not aligned. Pleasing people is an instinct that many of us develop early in life. It often stems from a desire to fit in, be accepted, or avoid conflict. On the surface, it may seem harmless or even virtuous to go out of our way to accommodate others' needs and expectations. However, when the desire to please people becomes a driving force in our lives, it can pull us away from the purpose that God has uniquely designed for each of us. While seeking harmony with others is commendable, it must never come at the expense of the higher call to align our lives with God's will. God's purpose for us is deeply personal and intentional. It is not a one-size-fits-all assignment, nor is it subject to the shifting opinions or demands of others. Each of us has a unique role to play in His kingdom, and fulfilling that role requires focus, courage, and at times the ability to stand firm in the face of opposition. When we allow ourselves to be swayed by the expectations of others, we risk diluting or even abandoning the mission that God has placed on our lives. The Bible provides countless examples of individuals who had to choose between pleasing people and pleasing God. Think of the prophets who often delivered messages that were deeply unpopular. Their obedience to God often led to rejection, persecution, or isolation.
Okay, you guys, after so many hours, I am now finished. Oh, I am finally done. The curls are just juicy. Popping. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, beautiful curls. So far, what can I say about this gel? This gel is similar to the sister gel. It has like a nice, pleasant smell. It has a firm hold. It is a thick, really, really thick gel, you guys. It is extremely thick. It says that amazing hold defines and shines. And I can definitely say it really, really did define my hair. The shine is there. So far, no frizz, but I have to, of course, let it dry 100%. And then I'll be back to give my honest review. But so far, I can already tell that my wash and go is going to be a beautiful one because, yeah. Let me do a little spin for you guys to see. Oof. This is so nice. Okay, you guys. So I'll be back once the hair is dry. I'll be back. What's up, you guys? So I am now back with my hair is 100% dry, and I am loving the results, you guys. I am really, really loving the results. As you guys can see, I have no frizz. Look at that. I have no frizz, and my hair is extremely soft, like pillow soft. There's also a hole, so I believe that I will get a good amount of days out of this wash and go. Tell me, what do you think? Leave some comments down below. Let me know, is this a bomb wash and go, or let me know. Just let me know. I believe this is a great wash and go. Feel free to go ahead and to run and look for this gel. Probably in your beauty store has it. Look for it. Probably it's available on Amazon. I haven't checked as yet, but I find mine, as I said, in my local beauty store. And the price is right. It is under $5, you guys. What a great buy. Yeah, I love it. I love, 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 love it. Bomb wash and go, bomb gel. So if you haven't yet subscribed, do go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to click on the notification bell. Leave some comments down below and make sure to like this video, you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
This is where I wanna be. One day there, then 1,000 hours away. In your courts is where I wanna be. One day.